Exercise 5. Sort the words into lists. Here's an example. Look at the list below and tell me, which are yellow things? Which are purple things? You can do this alone or with a partner. Answer. Yellow things. Lemon. Banana peel. A leaf in the fall. Of course, Americans say fall usually, not autumn, but the words are the same. Purple things. Plum. A handful of violets. Now look at the list and tell me which are small things and which are large things. Let's compare lists. As I read the list, repeat after me. Small things. Pencil. Golf ball. Pickle. Large things. Elephant. Crocodile. A whale's tail. The wheels on a truck. Let's try this list. Tell me things that are alive and things that aren't alive. As I read the answer, repeat after me. Things that are alive: camel, plant, alligator. Things that aren't alive: wool, table, lamp. Exercise 6. Listen to the text. Let me tell you a tale. There was a love triangle. Sally loved Lionel, but he no longer loved Sally. Lionel already fell in love with another lady, Elizabeth. It took Lionel a long time to tell Sally the truth about Elizabeth. Finally, he ended his relationship with Sally. Lionel and Elizabeth were joyful. Don't feel sad for Sally. She later found a wonderful millionaire named Bill.
In that final exercise, we had some interesting words and expressions. Do you remember a word that meant story? It began with a T. The word is tale. In that story, there was a man who had a romantic relationship with two different women. Do you remember the name of that situation? Love triangle. Do you remember how we say that someone begins to feel love for another person? Fall in love. Do you remember another word for happy? Joyful. How about another word for very good? Wonderful. And a person with $1 million? This person's called a millionaire.
Okay, your turn. Let's do sentence by sentence. I'll read a sentence and you repeat after me. If you need more time, hit the pause button on your screen. Let me tell you a tale. There was a love triangle. Sally loved Lionel, but he no longer loved Sally. Lionel already fell in love with another lady, Elizabeth. It took Lionel a long time to tell Sally the truth about Elizabeth. Finally, he ended his relationship with Sally. Lionel and Elizabeth were joyful. Don't feel sad for Sally. She later found a wonderful millionaire named Bill.
That's all for our lesson on L. In the future, I will cover R, and we'll look at how we put R and L together in words like girl and world. That's all for now, though. Thanks for watching.